All right, so here's another episode of Asia Unscripted. We are in the Baguio, what do you call it, Botanical Gardens. Here's a little monument. I don't know what the monument's supposed to be. I don't see any plaque or anything explaining it. Looks like they're building some condos across the street. Condos are becoming a big thing here in the Philippines. So we're gonna walk down, show you a couple things in this Botanical Gardens. So throughout Baguio, they give you the opportunity to dress up in supposedly Filipino native clothing. 20 pesos per person, about 50 cents, a little less than that. And they let you wear the clothing and they let you take as many pictures with that clothing as you want. So here's a little hut. Some people getting pictures taken. That's kind of neat. You can get some weapons too if you want, some native weapons. Oh, that was a big drop off. So this time of year, well actually any time of year in Baguio, it's about 70, 75 degrees. I would say it's mostly cloudy right now. This is not the rainy season, so the weather is pretty good this time of year for the most part. It gets down pretty cool at night. Yeah, Baguio City is smoke-free. No smoking, no vaping. Not allowed. Not permitted. Actually, I'm gonna head down this way a little bit. Next month in Baguio is their big flower festival, so there'll be a lot to see. I believe it starts on the 1st of February. Today is the 17th of January, so still 2 weeks away. Not the quietest of places. It's pretty neat here. Pretty peaceful. I said this area of the Philippines reminds me a lot of the Black Hills of South Dakota, the Cascades of the Pacific Northwest, with similar temperatures. A lot of Filipinos, they dream of going to a few places. Baguio is one of them, because they've heard about the cool weather, they've heard about the nice scenery. So when someone gets to come up here, it is a great thing. Once in a lifetime for many people here. Oh, nice little flower there. There's no admission to this park apparently, so one of the few things you can do for free here in Baguio. And not everything costs money. I'm not sure why they do this in Asia, but they like to put numbers on the trees. They did that in Vietnam too when I was there. I'm not sure the purpose of that. little swans there. We last saw swans down in Burnham Park. You can rent those swans. Got a nice little bridge there. I'm not sure where that goes. I guess we can find out. Nice little view. Nice little bridge up here. So apparently, Baguio is the twin city of Vaughan, I think it's Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. So if you're from there, Baguio City is your twin city. Now, usually they call them sister cities, but I guess twin cities okay. Let's see what else we got here. Ah, there's a plaque about this bridge. Let's see what this bridge is all about. The Baguio Californians. Okay. This must be a replica of the Golden Gate Bridge in the Bay Area of California, I'm guessing. Got some areas to sit and enjoy. There's some nice flowers. Very peaceful. For the most part, pretty peaceful park. Let's see what else we have up here. All right, we got some elephants up there. Let's see what these elephants are about. Thai elephants in Baguio. Diplomatic relations between the Republic of the Philippines and the Kingdom of Thailand. So these must be gifts from our friends in Thailand. Thailand is not that far away from the Philippines, just a couple hours by plane. So that's a nice gift. Pretty nice gift. Apparently we have a little cave down here, so let's see what that's about. Oh, okay. Just got a place here for posing for pictures. I'm not sure what the significance of this is, but seems like a pretty popular picture point. All right, so this is just an overview of one of the free things you can do here in Baguio, the Baguio Botanical Gardens. So until next time, this has been another episode of Asia Unscripted. I really appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate everybody who watches my videos. So until next time, see you.